Hi, this is Michael Williams, Wake County EMS Logistics, bringing you another how-to video on how Wake County EMS uses the narcotics module within OpIQ. This video is to show the procedure on how to deal with a vial that was marked as administered that really wasn't. It happens today in our paper logs, and I'm sure it'll happen again in these logs, where we basically document that the wrong vial was administered. So for example, you give vial 123 to the patient, but you document on the log sheet that you gave 124. So now you have a vial in your inventory physically that you don't have in your virtual inventory on OpIQ, and you have a vial in OpIQ that doesn't exist physically. So instead of just switching labels around, because usually the one that was given has been dumped in the Sharps box, we have a procedure to follow to deal with that. So the first thing you have to do if you discover this problem is contact your supervisor, because they have to take the first few steps. So the first step is for the supervisor to log in. So I have here that they've logged in, and they click on narcotics, and then you want to click on administered list. And this will give you a list of all the drugs that were given over the last 7 days, or you can change the search to show all kinds of things. So we're going to pick this one here, fake 317. So that vial is shown as given, but clearly you have that vial in your inventory. So you're going to open that up. You have to do a couple things on this page. One is you're going to go down to the bottom. It shows how much was given here, but you also need the run number for the call it was used on. So you come down here to the bottom where it says administer narc. Click on that. It'll open up the receipt that was generated when the administration was documented, and you want to get the run number. So in this case, they just put some gibberish in here during training, but I would write down that run number and write down how much was given. Then you can close that out. You're going to come up to the top and click on addendum, and this gives you a chance to document something, a note on the vial, excuse me, after it was given. So we're going to document that it was discovered to have an issue, and we're also going to document that we wasted the entire vial. So I've documented here that discovered the incorrect vial was documented. I actually gave, and I put in the vial number of the one that was actually given. And I've documented that I've wasted the entire contents with this person as a witness, and that person should be your witness to this. So this addendum will take the place of the waste form that's part of the administration form. And this way we document that we've wasted this vial, and then we're going to actually physically waste the vial. And it helps with the custody chain. So we're going to hit submit here. It's going to ask for the fingerprint of the person logged in. This should be the supervisor, and the witness should be the paramedic that witnessed the waste. Should also be the same one that found the error. Alright. So now the two of you need to physically waste that vial. So you'll draw up with a syringe and waste it down the drain or on the ground and destroy or throw away the vial. So now you've dealt with the one that you had. So you had a vial that didn't show up in your inventory because someone had documented that it was administered. Now you have a vial that you show in your inventory as still being present, but it doesn't actually exist because it was given to a patient. So the supervisor can log out, and the paramedic who has the rest of the inventory can log back in. They'll go to narcotics and my control numbers. So let's say that fake 455 here was the one that was given. We're going to check that. Click administer. We're going to document the amount that was given. In this case, I think it was 50. There was some gibberish run number there, and select the unit that it was given on. And click submit. That paramedic should scan their finger. And the supervisor should be the witness. So what we've basically done is we have taken care of this vial that was still present but showing as administered in the log, and we documented the issue and that we actually wasted it. And then we came back to the vial that was given to the patient and we entered the correct information, the run number and the amount given, so that it shows properly as administered and is tagged appropriately to the run number it was used on. I know there's a lot of steps. All these steps are written out in both the supervisor and the field user guide. They can be found in EMS Notices folder. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your supervisor or to EMS Logistics. Thank you very much. Have a great day.